Hi friends, now we have one desktop system. It's a very higher end model. The RAM is 32 GB RAM and i9 processor. It's an Windows 10 Professional. The motherboard is X29 UD4 Pro motherboard, gigabyte motherboard. The RAM is 32 GB RAM and the 16 GB of graphic card. It's an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti graphic card. I will show you once again. And also it's having 256 GB SSD hard disk. And also Cooler Master power supply. It's an 750 watts. And also will show you the model number of motherboard, Gigabyte X299 UD4 Pro. Okay, thank you.